Hello my friends, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today I do have a cozy winter collective fashion haul for you guys. Some of the pieces are very casual. You can dress them up, dress them down. Everything is going to be linked below for you guys just in case you want to pick up one or two pieces. So we're just going to get started. The first thing we're going to talk about, let me just get my hair out of the way. This is a beautiful velvet dress, and this is from Boohoo. This is a size 16. I could have gone with a size 14, but I thought, let me just pick up with a size 16. I just want to double check that. Yes, and again, it is from Boohoo, okay? And Boohoo has some really good sales right now. Really, really, really good. What I like about this dress is you've got a nice frill detail at the sleeves right there. It fits really, really nice. It's a try and hold, so you guys are going to see this on. And I love that little waist detail right there. Very, very, very pretty. This is one of those pieces you can wear when you're entertaining, let's say for New Year's Eve or New Year's Day, you're having some friends come over and stuff like that. You can put this on, add some jewelry to the neckline. I just love the way this fits. It's just above the knee. Very, very, very pretty. And again, it's a size 16, and this is from Boohoo. I love the color, and I love the velvet feel of this as well. Really nice, very, very pretty, very, very simple little frock, I would call it. So I'm going to leave all the description of all the garments down in the description box for you guys, so you can get in on one of these just in case you want to pick up on something. And so next we are going to go into this leopard print dress. This is from, I think this is from Boohoo, I think. I'm not quite sure. This is a size large. And I love this dress a lot. Long sleeve. It has a bit of a stretch to it. And I just love the way this fits. And you have a lovely zipper to the front. You can pull that down, pull that up. You can go in with some jewelry in the neckline. And it has a really good length to it. Again, good stretch. It's a size large. And I think it's from Boohoo. Not to worry, it's going to be linked below for you guys. I love this dress. Fits really nicely to the back. A little bit of a shape right there to the hip. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very, very, very pretty. Again, for entertaining, you can wear this to work. You can wear this on any occasion. A pair of boots, tall boots, black leggings, perfect. You want to keep this casual with some trainers, why not? Some pumps as well. Beautiful, beautiful dress. I really like it. Nice fit. Again, it is in a size large. And again, I think it's from Boohoo. I think it might be, but it's a size large. It's going to be linked below, not to worry. Next, I do have this other animal print dress. Very, very simple. A very simple piece. You guys would have seen this in a video that I've done not too long ago. This is just one of those relax at home, you know, kind of dresses. Straps, fine straps right here. This is from Boohoo, and again, this is in a size 16. It's from Boohoo, and this wasn't very expensive, I don't think. Again, I don't have the prices in front of me, but it's going to be linked below. It's just a short, simple dress. You just want to chill at home, you know, just spend the day on the couch watching some movies and stuff like that. Perfect little simple dress. If you want to wear this again with some pair of black leggings, you can wear boots with this as well. Put a nice black jacket on top with some jewelry, and you are good to go. Very, very pretty. I'm kind of into the animal prints. I don't know why. No clue. Now, this is one of my favorite pieces. Oh my god. When I saw this online, I thought I have to have it. This is from Boohoo. I'm going to show you the tag right there. And this is in a size 14. Now, I did buy the size 16, so I do have that over there somewhere. And it was way too big, so I thought, let me get the size 14. Now, I have a size 16, like I said. If you guys want to have this dress, just let me know. I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to show you exactly what this dress looks like. Oh my god, first of all, I love the color. And I love the pleating details at the sleeves right there. Let me just show you some details before we get to the video, shall I? Shall I, people? Look at the pleating details there. This is so absolutely gorgeous. And pleating to the tail of this dress. Now we can get into the video. Look at how beautiful this dress is. Buttons to the front, very, very light silk material. Very pretty. It's in a size 14, and again, I do have a size 16. If anybody wants it, please let me know. I'm going to send it out to you. I love this dress. This is one of those dresses you can just you know, like in the summertime, a beautiful pair of sandals. I can see this as a beautiful summer wear, a summer party, summer wedding, your dinners, and you know, you're going to a movie, going to a show. I mean, this dress, I mean, the features of this dress would be absolutely endless. Again, dress it up, dress it down, boots, sandals, trainers, anything you want to wear with this dress, you can. You can just button this up halfway to the front, and you can add some big chunky jewelry to this. You can add some jewelry as well on your wrist. Beautiful, beautiful color. When I saw this dress online, I thought I have to have it. You can wear this dress this time of year. I mean, we're in the winter season. This is absolutely fine. If you want to put a long black kimono over this as well to make it a little bit more classy, you can go right ahead. It is very pretty. And again, this is in a size 14. This fits me just perfect. But like I said, I do have a size 16. And if you guys want it, please let me know and I'm going to send it out to you. Next, I do have this beautiful, gorgeous green sweater. This is so pretty. You would have seen this on Instagram not too long ago with a makeup look that I did using the Melt eyeshadow palette. This is one of those oversized jumper dresses, and it has beautiful features with some buttons to the side. Kind of a turtleneck feature right here, long sleeves. I just rolled it up. This is in a size medium. This is from River Island. And I could have gone with the size small. So this is one of those pieces, if you're going to buy this, and if you want a full look, go for medium. If you want just like the classic look to fit your size, you need to go down a size, because no point going up, because this has loads of stretch in it, as you can see right there. I love the green, kind of a moss, kind of, what the hell is that? What? It's a moss green. That's what I'm trying to say. It's green, okay? It's green. I can speak English, you know. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Beautiful color. Love it. Again, fits just a little bit above the knee. Again, I love to go in with, you know, black leggings or black stockings and dress this up with a tall pair of boots and with a nice little heel. This is going to be absolutely perfect. This is from River Island, and this is 45 pounds. And although sometimes when I buy things from River Island, it's going to say 45 pounds, but then when I see my receipt, it's cheaper. I don't know how that works. And I picked up the brown one to it. The exact same thing, it's just a different color. And here it is. It's the brown color. Beautiful, beautiful, warm and toasty. You know, you can sit on a couch. You can just lounge in this. You can go out in this. And if you just, you know those days when it's not too cold, put this on, chunky, scarf to the neck, again, pair of boots, and you're good to go with a crossbody bag. Absolutely fantastic. I really love this piece as well. I'm just going to put these things on the floor. Too many things in my lap right now. This is a cream dress, and this is from River Island as well. And this has the detachable scarf. I'm just going to go right into the video for you guys. This is in a size medium. And I love this dress as well. This is more of a classic fit, and I love the details of this as well. It is long sleeve. You can wear the scarf of this anyhow you want. You can pull it up, you can pull it down, and it's a boat neck dress, and it fits absolutely perfect. Again, you can remove the scarf part of this dress if you want, or you can just keep it on. It is very, very, very pretty. And I absolutely love it. It's really, really cute. Love the color. Great for this time of year. Very, very pretty. So next I do have this dress. Again, another animal print. I am just in that animal print kind of mood. Okay, and this is from Boohoo. This is in a size 16. Let me just show you this quickly. I love this dress. Beautiful, long sleeve, a bit of a stretch to it. And just a little round neck, almost like a boat neck type of thing that's happening there. And what I love about this dress is the frill to the tail of this dress. I mean, look at that. You guys are going to see this only in a second. It's very, very pretty. Almost like a body fitting type of dress, but I really like it. But it has some stretch to it, and it fits very, very comfortable. Over the knees, again, I always like to go in with some black tights or black leggings. It's going to look so perfect with this. Black leggings with a pair of pumps, pair of court shoes, but I think boots with this dress is going to look really, really, really nice. and very, very simple dress. Really like it. Again, this is from Boohoo. It is in a size 16, and I mean, I can wear this to work easily, no problems at all. Again, if you want to put like a long black you know, like a kimono type of a sweater over this, or a long sweater, you can go in with a black sweater, a brown sweater, and or maybe something cream in color would be just perfect too. But it's a really, really nice dress. It's a party dress. You can wear this to a party as well. And again, the frills to the tail is what I really like. It's so lovely. Love this dress. Don't worry guys, all the details will be below. And last but not least, I do have this top, and this is from PrettyLittleThing. This is in a size 14, okay, PrettyLittleThing, so right there, hope you guys can see that. I love the color of this jacket. You have a nice slit to the sleeves right here, both sides, nice slit to the side. I love the color, fits really, really nicely around the neckline. And you do have one hook and eye closure just to the front right here. So in the video, I am just wearing a black tank top and a black pair of leggings, so you can actually see the full feature of this jacket. And you know, because my job, I'm in a boardroom all the time for meetings and stuff like that. This can be worn in the boardroom for sure, in your office with a skirt. You can just leave this open or closed. And there it is. Really, really, really nice jacket. I love the color. I'm not quite sure what color this is. It's a very, very light green color. But again, the description for everything is going to be linked below for you guys. Very, very pretty. Fits really nicely to the back and the front, and I love the details to the side. When I'm shopping for clothes online, I always look for little special details because I think sometimes the clothing is just so plain and blah. You just want to have a little bit of style to it. And with this, it's very, very classic. You can dress this up however you want. And there we be. That's our fashion haul for today. Let me know which one is your favorite piece. What do you like about this video today? All of the details are going to be below. I'm going to link everything for you guys as well. The prices will be there for you as well. And let me know what you think of today's video. Your thoughts are always welcome. You guys are so beautiful. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for spending this time and watching my video today. I do appreciate it. My name is Odette. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.